What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today in this video we will be unboxing the Realme GT Master Edition. So I ordered this from Flipkart in exchange of my OnePlus 6. As you can see the bill, it says 14,000 rupees approximately, and I got 15,450 in exchange of my 4-year-old OnePlus 6. So this is a 256GB variant with 8 gigs of RAM. So let's quickly go ahead and do the unboxing. And on the back we have the specifications like 778G processor, and it has a 65-watt super fast charging. So let me quickly show you the specs and all the highlighting features of the phone. So here we have the 778G 5G processor, 120Hz super AMOLED display, and 65-watt super dart charging, and of course it's very slim and light. So let's quickly remove the cellophane from the box and have a look at inside what all we get. So here you can see that the seal is intact. So let's quickly break the seal and get access to the phone and the other accessories in the box itself. So once we remove off the top lid from the box, we have a small pamphlet that says exploring the aesthetics of technology. So once we remove this card, we have a couple of pamphlets inside which are useless, and let's quickly remove the phone outside the box. This is the phone. Let me keep it aside for the time being and see what all other contents we have inside. So we have a case which is of very good quality. It's not a leather case, but it's a silicone case. It's much better than the plastic transparent case. And we have the type A to type C of charging cable. And the other thing what we have inside the box is a 65-watt adapter that will help you to charge the phone to 100% in just 33 minutes. So that's it for the unboxing guys. This was a quick unboxing of the Realme GT Master Edition. So thank you for watching. This is Aftab. Have a great day and peace out.